Hey, Investech Hub fam! Are you ready to make 2025 your year of financial freedom? What if I told you that saving $10,000 is absolutely possible, no matter where you're starting from? Whether you're saving for a dream vacation, a down payment on a house, or just want to build your emergency fund, this step-by-step budget plan is your ultimate guide. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have the exact blueprint to save $10,000 in 2025. Let's get started. First things first, let's break down that $10,000 goal. Saving $10,000 in a year means saving around $833 per month, $192 per week, or $27 per day. Sounds more manageable, right? Write this down, set reminders, and visualize your goal. Remember, specificity is key. Next, it's time to audit your finances. You can't save money if you don't know where it's going. Start by tracking your income and expenses for 30 days. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple spreadsheet. Identify areas where you're overspending, like subscriptions you don't use or eating out too often. Every dollar counts. Now, let's create a zero-based budget. This means every dollar has a job, whether it's for bills, savings, or fun. Start with your essentials like rent, utilities, and groceries. Then, allocate a specific amount to savings. Treat your savings like a non-negotiable bill. If you're struggling to find extra cash, don't worry. We'll cover that next. Here's where the magic happens. Look for expenses you can cut or reduce. Cancel unused subscriptions. Cook at home instead of eating out. And shop smarter by using coupons or cashback apps. Small changes can add up to big savings. For example, cutting a $10 monthly subscription saves you $120 a year. That's $120 closer to your $10,000 goal. If cutting expenses isn't enough, it's time to boost your income. Start a side hustle like freelancing, tutoring, or selling items you no longer need. Platforms like Fiverr, Etsy, or even Facebook Marketplace can help you earn extra cash. Even an extra $200 a month adds up to $2,400 a year. That's 24% of your $10,000 goal. Out of sight, out of mind. Automate your savings by setting up automatic transfers to a high-yield savings account. This way, you're paying yourself first before you even have a chance to spend. Plus, high-yield accounts earn you more interest, helping you reach your goal faster. Finally, stay motivated by tracking your progress. Use a savings tracker or app to celebrate milestones along the way. For example, when you hit $1,000, treat yourself to something small, but within budget. Remember, consistency is key. You've got this. And there you have it, your step-by-step plan to save $10,000 in 2025. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to Investech Hub, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more money-saving tips. Let me know in the comments what you're saving for. I'd love to hear your goals. Until next time, stay focused, stay motivated, and let's make 2025 your best financial year yet. See you in the next video.